Go to the login page and log in with your credentials. Fill in the OTP sent to your registered email ID and proceed. Now click on the Call Log tab visible on the left side of your screen. Here you will see Employee Assigned Data Log. You can check out total assigned data, today assigned data, available data, total call. You can see total call list by clicking on the number. Here you will see all the lead list assigned to the employee. You can see specific employee lead list in filter section. For logging out, go to the profile icon and select Log Out option.